Now turn around backwards. And now climb down backwards by holding that. Put it tight first, the rope. The cable. Make it tight. Pull it. Okay, now start going backwards down. Look at my niece Harley, just being a climber, huh? That's why I was trying to be careful, because we're right by. Look how fast those rapids are going over there. That's as close as you're going to get as depth. As a matter of fact, we're going to get you closer once we get over there. All right. Let's get down here for now. Be very careful. Josh is over there.